What if you were told that your biggest enemy is something you can't even see? Imagine a silent intruder, sneaking into every corner of your life, impacting you in ways you may not even realize. This invisible foe is stress. It's not just a feeling or a state of mind, it's a physical and psychological reaction that can lead to serious health complications. Every day we're bombarded by stressors, from minor annoyances to major life changes. These stressors, particularly when they're constant and unrelenting, can wreak havoc on our bodies and minds. Chronic stress can lead to heart disease, elevate blood pressure, and even stir up diabetes, among many other health problems. Mentally, it can cloud our thinking, disrupt our sleep, and trigger mood swings or even depression. Yet, it's not always easy to recognize or acknowledge the impact of stress because it's so intertwined with our daily lives. Stress, though invisible, can have far-reaching effects on our health and well-being. So, how do you defeat an enemy you can't see? You take a holistic approach. Stress, quite like an invisible enemy, affects every facet of our being, from our physical health to our mental peace and even our spiritual balance. This is where a holistic approach to stress management comes into play. This all-encompassing strategy doesn't just focus on one aspect of your well-being but considers the whole person, body, mind, and spirit, and how they interact with their environment. The holistic approach is founded on three key elements: physical activity, mental well-being, and spiritual balance. Physical activity helps to release pent-up energy and tension. Mental well-being involves strategies to calm the mind and promote positive thinking. And spiritual balance focuses on practices that connect us with our deeper selves and the world around us. Remember, stress management isn't just about calming your mind, it's about balancing your body and soul too. Physical activity isn't just about building muscles. It's a powerful stress buster too. When you exercise, your body responds by reducing the levels of stress hormones, like cortisol and adrenaline. It also stimulates the production of endorphins, often referred to as the body's natural mood lifters. These chemical compounds act as natural painkillers and happiness boosters, leaving you feeling more relaxed and content after a good workout. But the benefits don't stop at chemistry alone. Physical activity also promotes better sleep, which is often disrupted by stress, anxiety, and depression. It enhances your self-confidence and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Plus, physical activity provides a healthy distraction from daily worries and pressures, allowing you to break free from the cycle of negative thoughts that may fuel stress. The best part? You don't need to be a marathon runner or a gym enthusiast to reap these benefits. Even simple activities like walking, dancing, or gardening can help. So get moving and let your body fight stress for you. But stress management isn't just a physical battle, it's a mental and spiritual one too. The mind is a powerful tool in our stress management arsenal. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can help us to quiet the noise and find peace amidst the chaos. These practices cultivate a sense of presence, allowing us to face stressors head-on, rather than being overwhelmed by them. On the other hand, our spiritual well-being also plays a pivotal role. Engaging in spiritual practices, whether that's yoga, prayer, or simply spending time in nature, can provide a profound sense of balance and peace. These practices connect us to something larger than ourselves, offering perspective and promoting a sense of calm. So, don't neglect your mental well-being and spiritual balance when managing stress. Remember, stress management is a holistic journey that involves your mind, body, and soul. So, take care of all three, and you'll be better equipped to manage stress in your life.